Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
A Deltan from Oborevwori in Udu local government area of Delta State, but resident in Damaturu, Yobe State, has embarked on a 1,200-kilometer bicycle ride from Damaturu to Asaba to meet with Governor Sheriff Oborevwori. Samuel Okoro, age 38, says he has decided to embark on the bicycle ride to appreciate Governor Sheriff Oborevwori, whom he says has a long-standing history of service to youths and humanity in general. The journey from Damaturu to Asaba is expected to last for about 10 days, and Mr. Okoro will journey through 8 states, namely Yobe, Bauchi, Plateau, Nasarawa, Federal Capital Territory, Kogi, Edo, and Delta. Mr. Okoro, a chemistry graduate from Federal Polytechnic Oko, Anambra State, is married and blessed with 2 children. Inside the Niger Delta, we'll keep you posted on developments with this story.
Inside the Niger Delta,